Hello, my name is Bartkamski and I'd like to show you my Forest Sound System 3D. It is a marketplace asset with various sounds of a northern hemisphere forest. So these sounds are spawned in 3D space, so when you rotate your character it always stays in the same place. So it is not 2D sound, it is 3D sounds. They are spawned with a actor component, so you can attach this forest sound actor component to your player character and you're ready to go. It has 7 different sounds on top of the loop sounds. It is split in day and night sound. I will show you in a bit how it works, but the sounds are spawned in random location. Here is the random location, and it's also spawned with random interval. This delay is only for the first sound. Then it uses timer, and the time is randomized, and here are settings for every sound, every bird there is. So let me stop that. You can change if sound should be played, you can change the volume of the sound, you can change the range, that's in seconds. So this particular sound bird first plays every 3 to 5 seconds. And there is also volume randomness, so when it's 0 it's always full volume 1, but when it goes 0.3, so it goes randomly between 0.7 to 1. And also these sounds are split into day sounds and night sounds, and there is a clever system that change between these sounds. Here are full day sounds, but if I change to night by pressing 2, the sounds are changed to night. It is done with sound cues. So here are sound classes. I mean the change between day and night. So there is the forest sound class, the master sound class, and there is night forest and day forest. And these changes, if I press 1, it goes back to day. If you press 2, it goes back to night. So you can attach any events here, but it doesn't have to be here. You just change the sound mix class override. You set up the night forest to 1 and day forest to 0, or vice versa if you want to set up the night sounds. And also there is another thing: if you want to enter interior or exit the forest, you don't want to hear the sounds anymore. So it works like that. If you enter here, there is no sounds. If you exit, sounds are coming back. It works pretty smoothly. There's also example blueprint. Let me show you that when you enter the room, it checks if it's your player pawn. It also set up the forest sound mix to 0, or if you exit the interior, if you enter the forest, it's set up its forest sound mix to 1. Let me show you a bit about sound cues. There are 9 sounds. Every sound is a lot of. This one is it plays the most frequently, and this one there's a lot of sounds here. I'm not sure even, but more than 20 probably. And it plays every 2 or 3 seconds. Obviously everything you can adjust here with those settings. So it's going to be on Unreal Engine Marketplace with version 5.3. So go there and buy it. Thanks for watching. Bye.